Hi Romax Technology, how are you doing? This is Alessandro speaking from Nottingham City Hospital. I'm currently living here with my girlfriend, that she's a nurse, and I'm looking for a job here in Nottingham because I think it's a very beautiful country. And unfortunately my screen recorder software in my laptop is not recording very well, so I tried to do this video with my iPad. And so before I answer to your question in the second video, I will show how can I solve the busfish problem using white paper. So I try to move my camera. So okay, so the problem is to solve some printing, some numbers printing, or some words printing. So for example, if I have to run a JavaScript code, I have to start with the doc type, HTML, that is a simple blank HTML code. So I don't know, for example, head and the meta. After I opened the body tag and I closed the body tag, HTML, and so I closed HTML. Okay, inside the body I write the script tag, script tag. Okay, so inside this script tag I have to do my algorithms to solve the busfish problem. So I read from website that is a document.write is a printing of some words, for example bees or fish, bus or fish, or busfish. And so these words are it must be printed only when in the first cycle there is a number, there is multiplier number from 3, 5, and 3 and 5 together. So that is a simple first cycle. Inside this fourth cycle I can do these algorithms in a couple of ways, or with the case x, that is I think the best structure, but I think the easiest way to solve this problem is to use an if, else if, and other else if. I know that is not one of is not the best solution, but I think is the easiest. So if this number, so the problem, I always try to organize my problem and try to understand what is the worst inside this problem. So if I had to complete the task, so for example, to print bus fees together, I had to encapsulate, I had to reach the number that is a multiply of 3 and 5 together. So if a number is multiplied of 3, for example, if I divided this number by 3, the rest of this division is 0. So for example, if I write x and I used the percentage symbol, and with this symbol, for example, it means that if the first cycle is running, if one number divided by 3, the rest of this division is 0, it means that this number is a multiplier of 3. So in the case of I have to print bus fees, I use and with the same condition I can do this task. So I open the brackets and I use document dot write bus fees. Okay. Instead of, I can use in if I think is one number is multiplier of 3 and 5, I can use, for example, if x divided by 15 equal to 0, I can print bus fees. Okay, so sorry for the wind. The last part of these algorithms is to organize the other if. So else if x percentage 3 equals 0, document dot write bus, else if equal to 5, document dot write fees. I don't know what is fees and bus, but the structure of the algorithms, I think it's the right way. So another if, the other numbers, x document to write x. Okay, I think my solution could be this one. Thank you.